PayPal is accepted at millions of stores out there, and unlike regular PayPal payments, paying for isn't accepted everywhere. And that's exactly why so many shoppers get stuck at the checkout. So before you buy anything, let me show you exactly who accepts PayPal paying for. PayPal paying for works with millions of stores out there, and PayPal actually understands that to find out these stores actually that accept paying for can be a real hassle, especially if the store we are shopping at only accepts regular PayPal payments, which is why they've outlined a list of some of these stores that actually work with paying for or that support paying for. And among these stores you find popular or big brands such as Sony, HP, Sperry, iFly, Forever 21, and just go on, just call them all. So there is a multitude of stores here that actually accept paying for, and all of these stores are officially listed on PayPal's official page. I'll provide a link to these stores in the video description since I can't actually call them out or here. You also find brands like Alibaba if you're a fan of retail shopping or wholesale shopping, stuff like that. You can just continue making paying for with these stores. And a good hint to know here is that when you see a store that actually works with paying for, you see pay later available as well. Okay, and some of these, why they work both online and offline or in store, you find a couple of them or a multitude of them working just online. So when you get to this page, you want to favorite or save the stores that you want to shop at next time, so just so you won't be coming back and going to this page, you can just click on this plus button here to save the shop. And then when you come to your saved shops here, you should see the store that you've already saved. Now that you know about these stores, how can you actually get to use paying for at the checkout? It's very simple. First thing is you get to the store you're shopping at and proceed to the checkout. Okay, at the checkout you want to select PayPal as an option, so you just want to click on that PayPal right there. Knowing that this store already accepts paying for, you should find paying for at the checkout. Besides paying for, you can also make monthly payment, which goes up to 12 months for making payment. But since you're interested in using paying for, you just want to select paying for as your preferred payment method, and just instantly you should get a decision from the paying for that you've been approved, and then from there you can make your payment right away. For those of you who aren't aware yet, you should know that paying for comes with a multitude of benefits. First and foremost, that you aren't charged any interest or late fees for your payments. Okay, so regardless of the time you make your payment, you won't be charged any late fees, and this doesn't come with any additional cost. But making your payments on time is going to ensure that you easily be qualified for your next paying for loan that you request from PayPal, and you can get it just in a few clicks to complete your payment. So that was it about the stores that accept PayPal paying for. Don't forget, you can get a link to these stores from the video description should you want to check that out. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.